If you want to use Circle to Search on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus, all you have to do is simply press and hold the home button if you use 3 buttons for navigation, or press and hold the navigation handlebar that you have in the middle of the screen at the bottom of it if you use gestures for navigation, swipe gestures that is. So in this case, if you press and hold your finger, you will open this Google overlay, and now you can, for example, tap anywhere on the screen in order to select whatever you're looking for and what you want to look for in Google search, so you can see how it looks like. Or you can draw a shape around it in order to select an area like this. You can still adjust the area quite easily. All you have to do is simply grab by the white corners that you probably saw. So let's actually open this page over here. And if I want to search for something, I can just do something like this. And I have the area selected. I can still adjust it in case I need to. So for example, if I don't know what this phone is, I should be able to select it over here, and then we can get Google search results. Besides that, Circle to Search has additional features, like for example, we have the song recognition. So if you hear a song that you don't know the title of, if you want to find out what is that song, you can use this option, and then the tablet will be able to pick it up and you should be able to get Google search results. And also we have screen translation. So this last button allows you to translate the screen. Over here we can find the detected language, but in case it is not the correct one, then you should be able to switch to a different one, and you can choose the target language in here. And as you can see, we can also scroll apparently. So if you want to scroll, let me actually go back over here. So unfortunately now it deactivated, but I assume we should be able to scroll. Let's actually use the, there we go. And maybe it will be possible with 2 fingers, but now it seems that it's not working correctly. I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong. Oh, there we go, now it actually works. Alright, so it is actually working just fine. We just have to tap on the scrolling button. So I guess I missed it at the first try. Sorry about that. But yeah, we can just tap in order to start scrolling. So as you can see, and if we scroll down after a couple of seconds, the screen will be actually translated quite easily. And that's pretty much it. Of course, if the Circle to Search doesn't work for you, you can make sure that it is enabled in settings. So if we open settings, we can go to display, and then in here open navigation bar, and here we have Circle to Search, so we can make sure that it is enabled. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.